o'clock and I was doing this great thing and being thankful Thursday. It's like great morning, guys. And I really, really wanted to kind of talk more on data and all this great stuff that we've been learning and talking about it. Because I mean, talking about this, good morning, good morning, good morning. I want to say it's a happy Thursday, thankful Thursday. I got three screens, as we always know. I go over here, I do this. It's just my morning show, guys. I like coming here live in the morning, like saying good morning to all you guys. I know Tyler and a bunch of guys gonna jump in here. And a few of you guys who really want to learn, who are interested in how we're growing, how we use data, and really define data. What is data? And I wanted to talk about that today because I get to something quick. So I want to quick share with you guys, get here in the morning, get a few guys who are taking a look at what is data and how we're using it in our gardens and in our life. Because every day and every way we have to, what this Elon Musk has got some cool stuff on this. I was looking at the future of our lives with AI and everything. It's like really envision and see your future. And it comes down to data, guys. It's not AI, it's the data. A lot of people are trying to use models and bots out there, but they're not understanding the data that they have to use. So I get to talk about it. I get to come on here and say good morning. Got you guys saying good morning, guys. Dale, you rock. Good morning, Dale. Hope you're fantastic, dude. And you're finding all that great data. Charles Patterson, good morning. Just love seeing you guys coming here this morning. And it's like it's a good morning. It's my 10-minute morning. Trolley, Johnny B, what's going on? You know what? We're thankful for our Thursday, guys. I name my days. I envision what I want in my life. And I'm just so grateful and thankful for my Thursdays and what I've accomplished this week. It's like that's what's going on. Really getting down. Happy morning, happy Thursday, CBD. You know what? I love you guys coming in here with that energy and that awesomeness. And I really just love what we get to do here. Charles, you don't look good? I feel pretty good. Feeling pretty good. I mean, yeah, I do look good, actually. You're feeling pretty hot over here. Feeling pretty awesome. Why? Because I'm putting a lot of data in here. I'm understanding that over the years, my growing and understanding, it's not about AI. People are just getting it. It's not about all this, the data that we give each other here every day. And what we're going to learn here today is talk more about data definition. Yesterday, we went down data. Remember, we do data wrangling, right? The last couple of days, we're really looking at how data and we use data in our gardens and in our lives and recognizing these patterns. Pattern recognition. You're growing. You're doing all these great things, and we have to recognize the data and that we're doing and how we're growing. It's how we get more data, better data, definition, and then data selection, guys. So I'm going to really talk about this today. Get some sunlight, fruit, vegetables every day. Beautiful. I haven't gotten in the garden lately. I could probably might need some sunlight there, Charles. I'm going to agree with you. There you go. I've been doing some biocharge though, so I've been using some energy healing. So it's magnetic energy, vibration, and light. It's pretty cool. It's been pretty awesome. I was in Worcester doing this, and it's called biocharge. We're using different energies, and that's what it is. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to throw that in there. But really, today is about different things. It's all about data. Definition. What's the definition of data and how is data moving forward in our lives? Well, we compile that data and we just sort through that data. Yesterday we talked about data cleaning. Today we're talking about data selection. We're selecting the data that we put into our LLMs, into our gardens and into our life. You select data, you select people that you want to hang out with, you select different things, right? These are selections. Then we have to get the next thing, data preparation. You have to prepare that data, engage. You have to get things going, right? Move things forward. So as we talk about data this week in 10-minute segments, as you put these all together, you're going to get a little information on how we move data. Waiting for Tyler here to come in and stuff like that, because as we get into this, guys, we have to analyze that data. And you analyze the data and what you do, right? Who here's analyzing their data? They're checking how much fruits they're getting in their gardens, what they're doing. You're analyzing it, right? So understanding these steps and what we're doing, because if you don't write this stuff down, you're not going to get the results that you truly have. And that was me writing everything down. Before I was teaching you my gardening, now I'm teaching you the analysis behind that and how we're able to achieve all these results, right? Silly buddy, we have data on your health. I'm fine. I'm really good. And the data on my health? Well, the whole thing is you have to explain your health. What's the data you have? Write it down, record your data. There you go, Trolley. You write it down, record it. It's called data science. It's figuring out what you have and what you're looking at and what you're doing with that, right? It's all about data, guys. And I appreciate I'm in chat and watching you guys too. We have to have fun building, right? And when we got that, we do this by what? looking at the data that we have and sharing screens and talking about that. So as I keep moving forward with my AI work and continuing to use this, it's all about the data that we're putting into it, right? And a lot of people aren't thankful for what they have. So as we move forward, I just kind of building what I have. I got notes in front of me too. It's all based on what we do here, guys. So I always love to share my screen and go back to where we were yesterday. So AI and cannabis, here we go. Is this the one we're sharing? I got 5 screens up. Hopefully it's the right one. There we go. What is the best data to grow my canvas and doors and stuff like that? This was yesterday, AI integration and talking about the data and defining it. So you know what? Let's define. Now we get into definition. We got to define it, and then we're going to select, right? So let's define how we are going to set up our grow. So now we got to define it. Setting up a grow, integrate, define the grow types, where you're going to grow, indoors, greenhouse. See, we're doing outdoor, hybrid, defining what data you're looking for. AI integration is going to help you grow a lot of these things. We ask the right questions. We do this with certain prompts that I'm creating and defining that. And then we got to select it. What are you going to select? Do you want to go indoor, outdoor, greenhouse? Are you using hybrids, indica, sativa? See, now we're selection. Understand? See this? And we're going to start preparing. So we're going to go greenhouse. Okay, we're gonna go greenhouse because it's gonna be outdoors coming out this summer. We're just getting through winter, getting ready. So let's go greenhouse selection. Let's just hit greenhouse. We're having fun here right now. We're actually defining it. We're making selections. Then we're gonna prepare, right? This is what you do in your garden. It's what you do in everything in life, right? You select greenhouse. So it's gonna start writing. See what comment memory update. So now we're going to optimize. We're now preparing with selection. So now we're going to start preparing. What are you going to prepare in your garden, right? Isn't this fun? You can use AI for everything. You want to prepare your gardens and everything you want to do. You can use all of these tools to help you, as long as you have the right data to focus on and how to give it, right? Then we're going to start preparation. Assign lighting optimization. We get analysis done. Let's write down the analysis and what we want. Recommended for type mode flow. Like there's all these things, AI power compliance, inventory management. So now we're going to start preparing what we're going to go through. Taking a look at tracking mechanisms and stuff like that. What's best going to suit cost and efficiency, optimizing waste reduction. AI is going to help you with so many different things. Next step is, what do you want to prioritize first? Do you want to start looking at analyzing? What do you want to analyze? You want to plan a business plan around it? You want to start stack selection? What, do you want to automate strategies? These are things we start looking at. So let's take about tech selection. And we don't want to prioritize. We're looking up here. So let's look at water recycling and AI basically. We're going to be outdoors, so we want to really reduce waste and management. So let's take a look at this. And this, we're going to do enough analysis. Let's look. That's fun, guys. Give me analysis. Watch this. So now we have to say this, right? So you got to make sure what you give me the analysis. Remember, I'm bad at spelling. We'll just go with that. Power wires taking greenhouse now, and then we're going to base the science on it. That's what we talk about. The data you put in thing is going to give you what you want back. Why water taking AI based matters. Cannabis is water intense crops, right? 5 to 6 gallons per day. Irrigation states. How AI powered integration models. Isn't this cool? Isn't this cool? You can't think this stuff up in seconds. It's going to take you all day. It take you a lot of different things. Now you can put in, this is just bringing stuff up. This is my me one. Okay. So this is our free chat. Remember that. This is the one we're based on. If I took these same questions and put it into my chat GTP, the one that I've created with Q, it's going to come back a little bit different. You're going to get different context too, right? So what you put into it is you're going to get back out the benefits of payout, recycling, and then give me the science behind it. It's going to give me graphs. It's going to tell me all the nutrients-based water waste, the cost of electricity, implementation strategies, how we want to start phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Isn't that pretty cool? 710. Can we say that? I'm gonna stop sharing screen. I want to show you guys that. We're talking about data, right? Now, if you guys want, I can share all this. I can put a share of this particular link in there. Just put it in if you want me to share this and you want me to. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen now. I want to get back in here and say back to you guys and see what you think about what's going on when we do this stuff here. What are you thinking? I don't have Tylo isn't here this morning, but that's okay, right? I like take some data from different happens, terps, cannabinoid levels, and you can do all this, guys. The only data we know is 1,000 HPS, much less possible, low, very poor data. Yeah, we can do all that. You can ask all these questions, but you have to understand that, define it, selection, right? Get the preparation and analyze it, and then take a look at the science behind that. There's tips and types of data, and we're going to start talking more about data. I wanted to give you guys that today. Say good morning. Talking about defining data and how we use data in our gardens and taking a look at the sections of that. These are patterns, pattern recognition, right? So just don't do it. You have to look at it and understand these selections. Why don't you guys have a great day? It's our Good Morning Thankful Thursday, talking about data, looking at where we're going and how we're growing and how we can move forward with this. So, as course, go to greenwayai.ca, check out the website, take a look at the data that's there, select the different GTPs that might help you in your garden, in your life, take preparation on it, right? Analyze what you're going to do, and then put the science behind how you're going to grow. And like that, boom, you have a data based finding your data. Defining the data that you use and how you use it is the key importance in everything we grow in life and how we grow that. So be thankful. John X, I want some good fresh rosin in Toronto. There's the data. It's awesome, man. It is awesome, Debbie. I appreciate you guys all. It's all about the data that we do. And I just want to give you this new kind of way of growing and how I've grown, right? As things change with the absence and stuff like that, I'm growing with the data and understanding and helping you guys how I've helped myself. So this is how I've defined my gardens and got myself growing. Have a fantastic day, guys. And thankful Thursday. Keep that in your garden. Squeeze some rosin. Keep pushing on. And I'll see you guys, what? Fun Friday tomorrow. I've got some fun things tomorrow. Finishing off data week and understanding how we've been using data and how we use data in our gardens and how we use data with AI. Most important, guys, human in the loop. Remember that. Pour data in, pour out. Remember that. So what you put into an LLM is what you get out of it. So remember how we train this and how we grow forward. Go to the courses in the right-hand top corner of the greenwayai.ca. Watch those 3 videos. Give yourself some best stuff. Say yes to your Thankful Thursday. Much love, guys. And I'm going to kind of say, keep having that thankful days and keep